Hey guys, welcome to my home and welcome to my fall 2020 home. I am so excited that you decided to join me today and I can't wait to show you what I've done. Hopefully offer you some fall inspiration. We're getting close to winter here in Wyoming. We have a 95-degree day this weekend and then snow forecasted a couple of days later. So we're in that roller coaster ride that we call fall here. But before we get started, I wanted to tell you that I totally had switched up what I was gonna do this fall for my decor, and I ordered some pillow covers. You guys know I've talked about them, I'm obsessed with them, and so I decided to change my whole house decor just to go with those pillow covers. If you guys have done that, make sure you let me know so I don't feel so alone and so weird. But anyway, let's get right into it. Next, we're going to tour my living room, and it really is one of the first things that you see once you come past the entryway. And I'm going to show you around. I'm going to link everything that I can link. Keep in mind though, I do a lot of DIYs, a lot of thrifting and yard sailing, things like that. So I'll try to link what I can. If I miss anything or you have a question about anything, just ask and I will answer for you. And I'm also missing 2 pieces of furniture, so I have less decor to show. I moved my sofa table. I gave that to my son and daughter-in-law, and then one of my end tables went to Shelby's house. I'm really loving the open walkway that I have going on there. Don't have anything set in stone on what I'm doing. I may do something by time for Christmas, we'll have to see, so stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. These are the infamous pillow covers. They are velvet and they are beautiful and soft and luxurious. I will have everything linked in the description box below for you guys, but they are so beautiful. Alright, here we are in my kitchen, the heart of the home. I have done a couple of things in here that I'm super happy that I did. First of all, I took my upper cabinets down and I put some open shelving there, which gave me an opportunity for some more decor, easier to grab glasses and bowls and things like that. I don't have a lot of places in my house for shelving decor, so I'm really happy about that. And the second thing that I did that I love very much is I changed out all of the yellowy gold light bulbs in my kitchen for more of the daylight. What a difference it makes cooking in here when it gets dark outside. Here we are in my dining room. It is one of my most favorite places to decorate. I'm sure probably is for you guys too. There's always such a great opportunity to do decor for all the seasons in your dining room. I'm sure that mine will be changing as the weeks go by because that's what I do. I am definitely a decor swapper, and it goes from room to room to room, and then it just feels new and fresh, and I don't have to buy very many things. And some things that I have, I keep all year long, or out all year long. So keep that in mind when you guys are shopping for your holiday decor or even like everyday decor. Can it work for multiple seasons? And can you keep it out all year long? You can save a lot of money that way. Here we are in my master bedroom. In my fall decorate with me video, I mentioned that I was looking for some fall artwork for above the bed. I did find a few things, but nothing really wowed me, so I'm still looking. All the decor has stayed the same so far. I'll probably get the itch to switch in about a week or two. Last but not least, here is my guest room. Nothing has really changed in here either. I may swap a few things out in the master just to see what it would look like. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for touring my house with me. If you're curious as to what it looks like at rest with like no seasonal decor, I will also link my farmhouse tour for you. I'm not full-on farmhouse. I do have some industrial, some ranch, some boho. I mean, I love it all, just like you guys. So you'll see a mixture of different styles in that video. I will also link the videos, the Decorate With Me's for my guest bedroom and my master bedroom, where I decorated them for fall, in case you missed those. You guys be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos that I have coming out, because we have quite a few. Some special things planned when it gets closer to the holidays. You guys go and have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye!